The brown tree snake shown here is an invasive, introduced species that has had devastating effects on the ecology of Guam. And the capacity of this species to move on a variety of surfaces and cross formidable obstacles in part has posed one of the many challenges in limiting its spread to new areas. For relatively small gaps, the brown tree snakes simply crawl across the gap and, while doing so, keep their neck fairly straight and progress continuously, as shown on these first few clips. Although the snakes are relatively light animals compared to many species of mammals, they are so long that when they're extended horizontally, the effect of gravity tending to tip the snake downward is considerable, and in fact is such a strong effect that sometimes the snakes can actually be seen trembling as they attempt to hold a horizontal position. When brown tree snakes encounter very large gaps, they have a couple of behaviors they can use to cross gaps even larger than can be crossed using the simple crawling behavior. One of these behaviors is simply to wrap the tail around the perch from which the snake is moving, and that helps prevent the snake from toppling downward and into the gap. Now, this tail wrapping behavior can be used in conjunction with a second behavior that involves the snake assuming a posture, much as is used when the snakes strike defensively, and then rapidly straightening these bends from left to right to create a ballistic trajectory that allows them to cross a longer gap than could be done by the simple crawling behavior.